Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My group here is going to present our project entitled Retail Checkout Stations. A retail checkout station is a designated area within a store where customers complete their purchases. It is a customer-centric area within a store engineered to optimize user interaction, efficiency, and comfort through ergonomy layout, intuitive interfaces, and accessibility features, ensuring a seamless and pleasant transaction experience for both customers and employees. As technology advances, so does these stations, from traditional cash registers to modern kiosks. The design and functionality of these stations have continually adapted to meet changing consumer expectations and technological advancement. Today, we'll brief you life-changing ideas to reduce wait times, enhance convenience, and provide a more personalized shopping experience.
Hi, my name is Hazim and I'll be continuing the presentation with the problem statement. Firstly is the ergonomics. Most checkout stations have poor designs that leads to physical strain and also reducing cashier efficiency. Next, it is important to look at the self-checkout UI, as most common checkout stations have inaccessible interfaces that cause user errors and frustration. Next, some checkout stations have poor queue management that leads to congestion and longer wait times for the customers. Assistive technologies must also be seen, as some of them lack contactless payments and accessibility tools. Psychological stress, including long waits, impersonal interactions, and privacy concerns are also a common problem in checkout stations. Next, theft prevention is very important, as it is also left out by most checkout stations, such as blind spots and poor security. Sustainability is also a common problem, which has outdated technology and non-eco-friendly materials increase costs and environmental impact. So it's very important to be seen for this problem statements.
Explaining about the objective of our study. So the first objective is to enhance the employee safety and well-being by incorporating ergonomic solutions that reduce the physical strain and minimize musculoskeletal wrist injury. And then for the second objective is to optimize the checkout station design to create an intuitive, accessible, stress-free shopping experience for the customer. And then for the last objective is to implement a sustainable design at the checkout station to minimize waste, conserve resources, and promote eco-friendly behavior. Next, I'll be explaining some solution about the employee aspect. Adjustable checkout counters for the back and shoulder print. Anti-fatigue mat is for the legs and backs. And ergonomic chairs too is to support spin curvature to make it easier between them to sit and stand to reduce fatigue. Efficient layout to make it easier to organize things and clutter-free for the customers. We also have ventilation is an important role to ensure a very fresh airflow and to reduce the respiratory problems. We also have to improve the health and safety policies to ensure regular breaks between recesses and have proper trainings, and also to make it available for the first aid kits. For technological aids, we can make hands-free barcode scanners to reduce repetitive action. For hygiene and cleanliness, it is to reduce the cleaning and to make it regular cleaning and disinfecting schedules, and also make it the availability of the hand sanitizer is available in the workspace. For personal protective equipment, we have to provide masks, shield, and glove. This can avoid them from having airborne illness or skin irritation. And the safety measure is very important, such as security cameras, panic buttons, and queue management. It can also it is used to prevent theft, assault, and reduce crowding risks. And lastly, the mental health support is to actually manage stress by the resource and supportive environment. This can helps to enhance job satisfaction and performance. So
The second solution highlights customer comfort when making checkout and making transaction through these checkout stations. There are three important factors that would elevate customer comfort, including adding better lighting, temperature control, and noise reduction. As such, adding better lighting improves visibility and accuracy, improves safety and security, and for comfort and well-being, and for aesthetic appeal. As example, ambient lighting for the surrounding checkout for eye comfort for customers, task lighting in front of employees for better focus, and accent lighting at promotion areas. Next is that having better and maintained temperature control at these checkout stations. It improves employee efficiency, impact on technology and products, and definitely customer comfort to avoid from being too cold or sweating a lot when waiting in line. Another important factor is reducing noise from surrounding when making these transactions. This will help a lot as a customer and employee that can hear each other out. Hence, provide customers good experience, enhance employee productivity and health, and effective communication between employees and customers.
The third solution is in terms of sustainability. Firstly, to increase the energy efficiency at the checkout, we recommend upgrading the equipment to using eco-friendly POS systems, LED lighting, and also low energy screens that cut costs and impact. For example, the LED have benefits such as reduced energy consumption and reduced maintenance. We also recommend using a power management that has an auto standby during non-peak hours. The impact, it has low emissions, thus increasing the sustainability. Next, we can see in terms of the sustainable checkout materials, be it the plastic bags or even the checkout station itself, what is it made of. So firstly, we recommend eco-friendly options such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and also recycled materials. All of this will lead to reduced waste emissions, and also, even from far away, we can preserve the forests. Next, in waste reduction in checkout materials, it can be reduced by using digital receipts, which is not usually common, and that's why we recommend it to be implemented in most checkout stations. The POS integration for seamless transition to digital transactions. Recycling facilities in checkout stations are also important so that we promote the recycle campaign to the customers that are not still aware. Environmental commitment is to encourage these recycling behaviors. Finally, we propose to enhance the employee training so that it has a more increased transaction efficiency through training boosts, speed and accuracy, and enhance customer satisfaction so that the transaction will be much more smoother. The sustainable awareness is also important for training and instills energy conservation and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, it is very important to keep on improving the human factors design for the retail checkout station, as these checkout stations have always been seen as unimportant and unattended to improve its human factors design. All of these steps that have been proposed in the previous slides must be implemented so it can have a big change in the retail checkout station market. For example, like optimizing the lighting, temperature, and noise can boost the customer satisfaction and loyalty. All of these effects have a big impact not only to customers, employees, but also to the environment. Therefore, it is very important to prioritize these aspects to ensure a safer, enjoyable, and sustainable shopping experience. That is all for our presentation. Thank you very much.